The Geosynthetic Installation Notes Tracker provides a one-step resource on various types and functions of geosynthetic materials for use in road construction projects. The mobile app provides easy on-demand access to information on specification requirements and site inspection guidance for walls, slopes, pavements, erosion control, and drainage. Now let's begin on how to use the Geosynthetics Installation Notes Tracker mobile application. Before we get started with this step-by-step guide, make sure you download the app from either the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Once you've installed the app, you'll be taken to the main guide screen. At the bottom of the app screen, you'll find action buttons, followed by the navigational buttons, which consist of 5 icons, enabling you to seamlessly move between different sections of the app. On the guide screen, you'll find a wealth of information related to geosynthetics. This includes a basic introduction, a glossary terms to help you quickly find the information you need, information about different types of materials and their functions, and much more. The notebook and pen icon represents the field inspection checklist section. Here you can access a comprehensive list of proper steps for your geosynthetic projects. As you complete each step, you can mark them off and keep track of your progress. Additionally, you can use the share button to keep your team members up to date on your progress. The middle navigational button is the bookmark icon, which will take you to the Notes and Bookmarks section. With such a wealth of information available, it can be difficult to quickly find the exact information you need while you're on the job site. This section allows you to easily bookmark important sections and take notes on specific topics, so that you can quickly reference the information you need to get the job done. In this section, capture insights and observations on the go with the Field Notes tab, represented by the page icon. Share notes with your team to enhance your communication and collaborations during your projects. To make things easier to find specific information within the app, you can use the search feature. Simply tap on the search bar and enter your search query to access relevant information quickly and easily. In the Videos tab, you can stay up to date on the current innovation programs, such as the Build a Better Mousetrap Awards presented by Local Aid Support, and informational videos from the Federal Highway Administration. The mobile app is a collaborative effort between Federal Highway Administration and the Geosynthetic Materials Association. Download the Geosynthetics Installation Notes Tracker mobile app today and discover a wealth of features designed to enhance your workflow. The Geosynthetics Installation Notes Tracker app makes it easier to stay organized and efficient. Download now and take your geosynthetic projects to the next level.